God is the strength in which I trust. So, in this, as far as trusting, you're trusting in God's strength, pretty simply said. But in the fact that we want to take it in a recognition that once you recognize what God's strength is, that you absolutely have no reason whatsoever to have any concern at all, especially anyway, but also no limitations and no restraints, no hesitations, no anxieties, no apprehensions and fearfulnesses. If you actually recognized God's strength there in essentially everything, you would have no problems whatsoever because of what this world actually is. So just like that idea that makes it real, it's the same principle. If you recognize the strength in which you choose to have absolute trust in it, it will be made real to you. And you will experience that reason and justification for trust in the same way in its opposite. So if you are trusting in, say, the reasons you're anxious, worried, and confused, fearful, and apprehensive, it will be made real to you to justify those feelings. Because it does not judge on what you want, it simply gives you what you want. It literally is just made real for you. Okay? So if we really grasp and understand that it's just made real for us, if we're focusing on what the problems are, there will become problems, more problems unsolved, right? And the whole reason focusing on what you do want, focusing on how you want it to be, will become real to you in the same way. Then it will become solutions, it will become solving, it will become enjoyable. So in this recognition, it's like it has no judgment. It just simply wants to give you what you want because it wants you to be happy. Okay? So it wants you to be happy, right? It wants you to be happy, right? Can we agree on that? We can say the universe, God, wants us to be happy. Okay. So if you're thinking about something, it's like, oh, hey, he's thinking about something, she's thinking about something. I want to give her what she's thinking about. I want to give him what he's focused on. I don't care what it is. He's focused on something. He's thinking about something. I don't care. I don't condemn. I don't judge. I don't know the difference between right and wrong or good and bad. No idea. I'm just going to give you and make it real to you for you. So in all actuality, that's why we have to be so responsible for what's going on, is that we cannot see clearly with our obsessions and beliefs in opposition. Those and the belief in opposition were all decisions that made real to us. It became truth. It became fact. It's like we usually have a feeling of anger, and then we have something that makes us angry. It's like, oh, I'm feeling angry, or I'm feeling a little worried today. Maybe something's gonna happen, as if it's like a prediction, right? I'm feeling a little worried. Maybe something's gonna happen, and then it happens, and then, oh, I knew it. I'm so worried, so concerned, so worried. But really, you don't recognize the order. It's not about prediction. It's about giving you what you want. You feel worried because you want something to worry about. You feel angry because you want something to be angry about. There's a whole 100% responsibility on you. And that's why we can completely find absolute 100% peace down in there somewhere. You just have to want it. And then it's made real to you. Okay? Okay. That's why you don't have to worry about your strength. I mean, if you worry on your strength, you have all reason to be concerned and worried and struggle, fright, absolutely. But if you are trusting in the fact of what is, say, making real, then you can not be so concerned about the problems and focus on what you want, right? And naturally, it's made real, la 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 la, along the path and the journey of what you want.